guess who's in the studio today? Yes, it's me, the brain behind Grammar Spice. Welcome. Have you ever had issues using any of these words? Watch this.
Life is hard. Oh, what happened again? I've been suffering since. Remember, I lost my phone. Yes, I know. Sorry. I thought you'd have gotten another one by now. What about that one you wanted to buy? That's the problem. I can't avoid it. I don't understand. Avoid? Yeah.
So you had the money.
Well, no.
What exactly are you saying? Where is the phone? Ha! I said I can't avoid it. It's so expensive.
Oh, you meant afford. You can't afford it. Why didn't you just say so? Wasn't that what I've been saying since?
Did you notice what just happened in that skit? She kept saying, I can't avoid it, when what she really meant was, I can't afford it. This is a very common mistake, especially in everyday conversations.
What is afford? Afford means you have enough money, time, or ability to do something.
For instance, I can't afford that phone. She can't afford the rent. We can't afford to waste time. So if money is the issue, the correct word is afford. Now, what is avoid? Avoid means to stay away from something deliberately. For example, avoid junk food. He avoided the question. Try to avoid mistakes. You avoid something because you choose to, not because you don't have money. In the skit, she didn't avoid the phone. The phone avoided her. Her wallet made the decision for her. It's surprising to hear some people even say, avoid. I can't avoid it. So try to remember this. If money is involved, think afford. But if you mean to stay away, think avoid. That'll be all for now. Follow for simple English lessons, one-on-one and group lessons available. If you enjoy my videos and find them helpful, please share with someone who will benefit from them. Bye for now.